Welcome back, guys, and today, instead of making a Cryo Trooper playthrough episode, I want to show you my favorite character. He's not the highest level character, he's only level 42. My highest character is level 61, so he's not the highest level character. And he wears Railroad Armor Mark 3. Or, wait a second, he wears Railroad Armor Mark 3. Yes, but I'm looking for a Mark 4. They are on railroad soldiers, but the railroad is my friend, so Deacon is the character that I run with. And also, the main guns I use is the Deliverer, an explosive automatic shock assault rifle, and a recoil compensated powerful combat sniper rifle. And my best weapon, I would say, would be my wounding minigun. That is my best weapon I have so far. I also have a railway rifle, a long railway rifle. Here's the wounding minigun. It's just a standard minigun. And I'll show you the Deliverer. The Deliverer you get from the Railroad quest line. There are 4 main factions in Fallout 4. The Railroad, the Institute, the Brotherhood of Steel, and the Minutemen. I have all 4 of them, except for on this user, except I don't have a Brotherhood of Steel one. I have a Minutemen, Institute, and Railroad one on this user on my PlayStation. So I wanted to get all the trophies for Brotherhood of Steel playthrough, but I wasn't able to. And my gear is usually, when I first got on here, it had around 100 stim packs. And my main perks are Big Leagues. I have 4 into Big Leagues, 4 into Sneak, and 3 into Strong Back. They're my 3 main ones: Strong Back, Big Leagues, and Sneak. I also have Sandman Kill, Scrapper, Robotics Expert, and a lot of others, but that's all I have for now. So see you guys in the next video, and I will be doing another video about my characters, about my Institute, Minutemen, and Brotherhood character. See ya!